Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me. Today I will be demoing and sampling a hairstyle using my Beas Honey hair products. The products that came in my box was the rice water treatment, the herbal oil growth serum, and the moisturizing hair cream. It came in this beautiful box with a beautiful note showing me what each product is and how to use it. So let's start this hairstyling demo. So I'm starting off my hair with old hair. It was in a ponytail for a few days and my hair is a little bit stretched, but I'm going to use water and a leave-in of choice and begin parting my hair into sections that I want to twist my hair with. Before I get started, I just want to remind you guys that you can add me in all social media platforms using my username listed in the video at Naturealizta.beauty on both Instagram and Facebook, and of course here on YouTube. So as you can see, I'm just separating my hair into big parts so I can put chunky twists, and I'm leaving a big space in the front because I'm interested in doing a curly bang. So before I use the products, I am spraying the section that I want to use first. I'm trying to get it drenched with water so that I can add my leave-in of choice and just start to finger detangle my hair little by little before doing the actual detangling part and moving on to using the products. And y'all, my hair was so dry. I am so glad I'm doing my hair right now. So I'm adding a leave-in conditioner of my choice before going to the cream. But before that, I'm adding the leave-in and then I'm going to detangle my hair with my Tangle Teaser. I'm going to do this for each section that I've separated and begin twisting. So I'm starting off with the moisturizing hair cream. I'm going to open it for you guys so you can see the consistency and the thickness of the product. And I'm reading the directions to see how exactly to use it. So I'm going to scoop some up with my nail just a little bit at a time. And if I want more, I'm going to add it. I'm going to rub it in my hand and let it melt. And I'm going to also smell it because that's what I do when I'm sampling products. And it smells amazing. So I'm applying the moisture cream and I can already feel that the moisture cream is melting right into my hair strands and my hair immediately feels soft and just easier to manage, and I'm liking that. And now I'm starting off the twisting process using the product, and I'm just gonna do this same process all around my head, just putting chunky twists in just to stretch my hair because I want my end result for my hairstyle to be on the bigger side. So after I twist, I just go back up the twist and push the product more in, and look at that, it's nice and juicy and chunky. This side of my hair already feels completely different than the other side with the actual Beas Honey products in it, and that's an amazing thing. So now I'm going to just continue the process on this next section and each section after that and do the same thing you just saw me do. So I am going to spray water in, I'm going to rub it through to finger detangle, and I'm going to put my leave-in conditioner on my hair so that I can detangle it further. And the rice water tonic was used earlier this week prior to for a strengthening treatment, so you may not see me use it in this video. So here you see that I'm starting off with a small amount, and then when I feel like I need more, I just go in and add more as needed. You don't want to start off with a huge amount and then just have too much product in your hair. So I personally love using brands that are smaller brands and create natural products. This brand, particular Beas Honey, was initially created by a native from Hackensack, New Jersey, and created as a remedy for hair loss. So now it has grown into a bigger natural hair care product line for both men, women, and children. And I like that the products are like stress-free to use and you know everything that is in it. If you are interested in checking out my Beas Honey, you can find their website in my description below, and I will also be placing their social media below as well as mine, of course. So I'm not gonna even sit here and show you guys this whole process of me doing my whole hair because I have a bunch of videos showing how I do twist outs. But I'm gonna speed to the other side, show you what I have left. Yes, I have a lot of thick hair, and I'm just gonna show you the front after this. So let's go. So I'm adding the cream, and as you can see, my hair is just soaking it up, and it's kind of creating chunky blocks of curls as I go along, and it's just making it easier for me to twist as I do each twist. And bam, look at that twist. This is the last twist to stretch out the rest of my hair before I move on to the bang. And I just like using products with a buttery or thicker consistency because it just shows me a bigger hold. As I am going on, I will be applying this hair growth serum to my scalp, and it's made with a bunch of herbal oils that are very good for hair growth. I'm gonna apply it to my scalp and just rub it in, and then I'm gonna start the twisting process and then come back to the serum later on in the video. It's just so crazy seeing how my hair transformed after I added these products. Like, my hair went from dry to actually moisturized and a little bit curly. You go, girl. I'm making these front two twists a little bit more tighter and smaller so they can be a bit more defined. As the back, I really do not care much about the definition because I'm going to fluff it out anyway and put the back into a low puff and the front into a bang. So I've been using these products for a little bit of time now, and I love, love, love the growth serum, and I love how it just soothes my scalp and adds some ammunition to me rubbing it in. And it's packed with a bunch of herbal ingredients, which I love because I just love anything with herbs. So I'm just gonna use my hands to fully massage and just spread the serum throughout my whole scalp. I'm gonna wrap my hair with my satin mini scarf and call it a day. I am another day and it's time for the takedown. I've already taken down my twist and fluffed out a lot of the curl just to give my hair that bigger puff that I want. And then I'm just gonna add some water along my edges just to give it a little bit of moisture before I add some edge control to lay down these edges a bit. I brush and apply a gel or edge control of my choice, rub it in, and then I'm gonna do that to the other side and then just go back in with my hand to smooth it, and then my brush to just lay down the edges just a bit, not too much, before I move forward to the bang. So as I'm taking down my twist, I had a hard time deciding whether I should just leave it out in curly or if I should tuck the curl a little bit along the side of my head and just let it be a swoop kind of bang. So this right here is real cute, but I decided to go forward with just fluffing it out a bit more. And then I'm just gonna swoop it because why not? So these are the final results, and I have a swoop bang with a big puff in the back. I hope you like this hairstyle, and I hope you enjoyed this demo video of me using my Beas Honey products. Once again, you can check the product description, but don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below your thoughts on this video. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.